Dear Jumia customers, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you on how to create account on Jumia online store. You know, it is very necessary for you to create account on Jumia online store before you can place order for any item you may wish to buy on Jumia store. Actually, this is very necessary for Jumia to have some piece of information about you so that you can freely and easily place order on Jumia online store whenever you want to do so. Then in this tutorial, I'm going to take you on how to create account on Jumia online store in 2 dimensions. First, how you can do this using your Jumia app. Second, how you can do this using an internet browser. Internet browser, I mean something like Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and so on and so forth. Now, as we are going to start, I will begin with creating account on Jumia using Jumia app. For you, if you don't have a Jumia app on your phone, first of all, you go to Google Play Store. Follow me. I move. Here is Google Play Store. It has loaded. You come to search and you type Jumia. Then you click enter. The first app that comes up there is official Jumia online store app, and that's what you see here, Jumia online shopping. Now, if you want to install this, you click. For me, you know, is the green button here that writes open. It's writing open because I already have Jumia app in my mobile phone. But if I don't, what you will see there is install. And if you don't have Jumia app in your phone now, if you do exactly what I did now, what you will see there is install. And if you click on install, this particular app will get installed into your mobile device. Now, having done this, you are done with everything that concerns Google Play Store. Now you get back to access your app. Or from here, I can even access it from here. And I click open. And the Jumia mobile app launches. Okay, now here we are. Now, for you to create account now on Jumia to enable you to place order for items you want to buy on Jumia, you have to come and click on account below here. And when you click on account, you will not see anything like login. What you see, you won't see anything like create account. Rather, you will see login. Click on the red button login up here. I click it. Now, you will see login into your account, which you don't have an account you don't have any account yet. Now, but below here you see create account, new on Jumia, create account, or you can even connect with Facebook. But advise you, it's better if you don't have your email address and some other important details about you on your Facebook account, then it is better for you to create a new account where you provide this necessary piece of information. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to use create an account. I click on that. Now, what is required is that you enter your name. I use my name. For instance, John Okoye. John Okoye. Now, I am male. My gender is male. Then I choose male. If you are female, you choose female. Now, my email address, I will choose John Okoye at gmail.com. I advise you to use an active email address, because this is where you receive some important information about your order and about everything you need to know about Jumia updates, about Jumia promo, so and so on and so forth. You get them into your email, into your mailbox. So it's necessary that you put a valid email address, an active one, I mean. Now you choose a password. My password here is, I use whatever thing I like. Good. And the password, you should choose something that is not less than 8 digits or letters, or so on and so on and so forth. Now you come to choose your phone number. Now your phone number, you enter your phone number. For instance, this is my phone number. And then the next thing you do is you click on create, and now it's loading. They said a record matching Jumia Okoye was found. That means Jumia Okoye, John Okoye at gmail.com. Okay, now let me take another email address that also belongs to me. John Okoye 2000. Now I try this. Create account. Now my account has been created and I have been automatically logged in. Automatically. So here now my Jumia account has been created, and from here you can see logout means I have been logged in. So having done this, you have created a Jumia account, and you can come to your cart. You can add items to your cart. For instance, I can add Galaxy Tab A 8.0. From here, I can continue to process whichever thing I want to buy on Jumia. And one thing I must tell you, very, very important to take note of this, is you don't have to create a different Jumia Pay account. Once you have created a Jumia account, it includes Jumia Pay. So you log into your Jumia Pay with the same account and not a different account. Having done this, you have created an account on Jumia with your Jumia app. Now, the next option and the second one is creating Jumia account with your browser. Now we switch to Chrome. Here. Now I visit www.jumia.com.ng. If you are watching this video from another country outside Nigeria, then you use the correct link to your country. Now here we are on Jumia website. Then you click on this user icon. And when you click on this user icon, what comes in here is login. But you have not created any account yet. So what you do is either you come down here, new to Jumia, create an account, or you just come here and click on this above here and click on create account. Now the same form comes out and you just have to fill it. Let me create another one. Okorie Jude. Then Jude Okorie 2000 at gmail.com. Then I choose my password. Then now I choose my phone number. And here you have option. I want to receive Jumia newsletters. If you don't want to receive Jumia newsletters, you comfortably uncheck this. But if you still want to receive Jumia newsletter, if I don't want, I will uncheck it. But if I want, I check it. Now, but I want to receive Jumia newsletters because it is necessary. Sometimes in the newsletters, they'll tell you about the forthcoming promo. So, and I would like to enjoy their promo. So I choose that so that I will receive Jumia newsletters. Then next thing I have to do is to click on create account. Now, I have to check on this. They said vehicles. Then I click on vehicles and I check on next. This is security measures. Sorry, patient network. Okay, the most important thing is, okay, now it has gone. Now I have created another account and I have been automatically logged in, and from here I can still come to Jumia homepage. And now I have the free right to order any item I want on Jumia. So having done this, you have created an account on Jumia and you have every full right now to order any item you want on Jumia freely and comfortably. So having done this, I believe you like this tutorial. I believe you now have a Jumia account if you don't have one yet, and I believe you can freely now enjoy Jumia website. So to show us some love, click on subscribe button below this video and also activate your notification so that in the next video we have to upload, you get some tip of it and you will enjoy it. See you in the next tutorial.